So this is day 2 of working on the 14, getting the front end done, and we've got the man himself come to help get the rest of it done. So pretty much clay came about nearly, what, 3 months ago? Yeah. Pretty close. And we got the angles for the tube front all sorted and situated. And now today, pretty much he's gonna get the rest of the rad support all made up, and then the bottom support for the radiator. But yeah, at the moment we're just dummying up the radiator sits and have a bit of a time lapse and just a bit of clips of just building it. And then pretty much I reckon once it's all together and actually welded, we'll come back and actually like kind of show how it's all been designed and get Clay to talk a bit about it. And yeah, it'll be sick. So enjoy the clips of us doing bits and pieces and the man welding and getting it done. So yeah.
Yeah, I run both
I'm sick of you.
Yeah, yep. So that's what I rotate.
Hi, Bradley.
And it's real stretchy. Yep.
Hi! How you going?
Going good.
I'm just doing all the wrong spots with the TIG.
Fuck you. She's looking fucking sick, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not even done yet. Not even fucking finished yet.
Hit the good side.
Yeah, the good side. So it's been about 3 or 4 hours since we last kind of filmed, and a lot's been done. So Seb's making
Hydro mount.
hydro mounts. So making a custom hydro mount out of some bit of plate we got kicking around the shed, and pretty well it's going to sit around around about here, and kind of step out not very far off where the seat kind of sat, and so pretty snug. Better than my last setup. I had it so far close to the wheel, and it was just annoying. Every time I'd go to drift, I'd literally hit it and burn my fingers, and it sucked. So we're gonna fix that. All the tube front is pretty well done and looks awesome. Like I'm super stoked with how it's turned out. The man's still welding, but he's nearly finished it.
Almost there.
Looks so fucking cool. So anyone that actually really wants any fab work done down south, down Hobart, hit this man up. He's fucking awesome and done a wicked job. So it's the next day, and we didn't get a great deal done like after we pretty much finished doing the tube front last night. It was pretty tiring, everyone's ready to go home, so I think we'll pretty well just call this the end of the video, and next video we'll probably have more clips on making brackets for the front end, getting the radiator mounted in, the intercooler mounted in, pull the motor back out and everything else. But we'll show you something pretty cool that Seb made up, which worked out a lot better than I ever thought it was going to work out. It looked fucking sick. So he's made a hydro bracket. Instead of running the Gecotech hydro bracket that are real flimsy and will just pretty much just move your whole tunnel, made it so it's welds up the top, down the sides. It's only got 3 or 4 points of contact to the tunnel, in a better position suited for pretty much my driving and where I'm going to be. Pretty much trying to get me to sit in this car is really hard. I'm super tall, so we've got to figure out some ways to get the seat further back so I don't feel like I'm hitting my legs on the wheel and feel like I'm just real crammed up in the steering. So in the next video we'll probably show a few clips of that and mounting up the rest of the engine bay stuff. But yeah, make sure to keep up to date and watching the videos and that with the build. The boys are doing a fucking awesome job with like just making this come to life. I can not do any of this. Like, I can't fab, I can't weld. All I can do is just install parts, kind of. But anyway, make sure to keep up to date with everything else, and see you in the next video.